Ciao from Valentino to all the Japanese fans. I think it's a very tough moment for everybody, but we support you. We are with you, and don't give up. And good luck to everybody from me, from all my team, and big cheer. Bye.
Hi Japanese people, I know you are passing a very bad moment, but I hope you recover because you have the potential to make it, and I give you all my force to that happen. Keep strong.
It's difficult to find what I can say because unfortunately we can do too many things, and it's a really disaster. But I think and I hope the Japan people can resolve the problem faster than another country.
そうですね、僕も地震の時に日本にいたんですけど、本当に被害が結構大きくて、本当に心配としか言いようがなくて、本当に信じられない、光景で、本当はレース来るのもちょっと迷ってたんですけど、でもやっぱ僕にできることは、レースしていい成績を収めて少しでも皆さんの希望とかにつながってくれればいいなと思って、そういう意味では初日から、トップで本当に良かったなと思います。本当に少しでも、この成績を見たりして元気づけられてくれる人が出てくれればいいかなと願ってます。
To everybody in Japan, our heart goes out to you. We are feeling for you. Stay strong, be positive, and it'll get better soon enough. Thanks.
I would like to say good luck for all the Japanese people because it's a terrible problem they had in this time, and I think all the MotoGP support the Japan now, and I hope for the Japanese we will go at the end of the year to give some fun at the people, but if not we will wait next year. But I think if the country feel better, it will be nice to have some distraction for the people.
Thank you for 1 minute of silence in honor of the victims of the Japanese tragedy.
日本は地震で今現在大変だと思いますが、僕も頑張りますので皆さんも一緒に頑張りましょう。
Just want to send all my best wishes and thoughts to everybody in Japan. I know it's a bad time right now, and being here I can see a lot of the Japanese are very affected by it, and it's something we can't even understand how bad it is not being there, but all our best wishes are with y'all. Thanks.
Yes, I want to give all my support to all the Japan drama there. I hope people can get help as soon as possible and start to recover from that big thing. But yeah, it's gonna be hard. But I hope they can step up and get back to normal.
Hi, Japanese people, and I want to say to you that don't give up, and we are with you to fight. Bye.
You know, being in Australia for our what we thought was a disaster was quite hard. We got family and everything that was in the Australian one, but to see what they're going through in Japan is just unbelievable. And we were out of reception until basically the last sort of 5-6 days, so we only found out about it recently. And just to see what those people are going to have to go through is really hard and horrible. But there's you've got to try and stay strong and try and live through this, because it's only going to make you better people and stronger people and a stronger nation, I believe. So, I mean, you know, our hearts and our thoughts, I think, of everybody in the paddock are with them at the moment.
日本ではね、今災害が起きてしまって、多くの方が苦しんでいると思うので、僕はね、今こっちカタールに来てしまってるんで、直接的な手助けはできないんですけど、今回のレース、走りの方で、応援をしていけたらいいのかなと思います。頑張ります。